Reported speech is when you tell a person something that someone else said previously. That's it. A lot of people say this is for gossip. Do you know what gossip is? Gossip is chisme. So they say this is for gossip. And yes, sometimes, but not all the time. Sometimes you just want to report what someone else said. Or maybe a joke, or maybe a story, you know, a movie that you watched and that you like. Maybe you want to talk about it. So you describe it to your friends and so on. So to make the reported speech, there are different rules, but we are going to start with the simple present. Imagine that I tell my friend, I tell him, hey, I love you. So he goes and says to his friends, she said that she loved me. So when we want to report a phrase in present, in simple present, we change it to simple past. Okay? I love you changes to she loved me. All right? Let's practice a little bit. Let me share an exercise here on the screen and we'll work from there. So for example, I'm going to do the first one as an example. Can you see this? It says, Helen, I speak English and Spanish. So in the reported speech, I will say, Helen said that she, because it's Helen, she, speak, simple present, changes to spoke, English, and Spanish. Okay? As in, Helen dijo que ella hablaba inglés y español. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you control and you can work on the next one. Okay, can you take control of the screen? You can also add often if you'd like. What is the past of read? Ken said that he said?
No.
No, just he. And what is the verb in the sentence?
He often
Yes, he often
read.
read, exactly. So the past of read is read. Very good. Oh, but you don't write it like this. Read, read is the same. It's the same spelling, only the pronunciation is different. That's right. He often read what? That's right. Great. Okay, very nice. The next sentence says, Harry and Mary. Harry and Mary say, we go swimming in the lake. Harry and Mary told me that they, yes. They went swim or they went what? Swimming. We go swimming. What is the past of we go swimming?
Swimming, swam.
So in this case, no, because the verb that is in present is go. Swimming is not in present, in simple present, no. So instead of we go swimming, they went swimming only. You only change go, okay? Only the verb in present. Very good. Now, Madison says, I'm tired. How can we report this? I am tired. How do we change this to past? Yes, but I am is the present. What is the past? She is the present also. What is the past of she is? Was? Yeah, so Marison remarked that let me help you here, she was tired. Now, we don't need to write this. She said to me that we don't need it. This is correct, but we don't need it right now because we already have Madison remarked, as in Madison remarcó que estaba cansada. So Marison remarked that she was tired. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. Oh man. Let me correct it. English and Spanish. In red comics. They went swimming in the lake. She was tired. Okay. Next says Amy, and Amy says the boys always wear jeans. How can we turn this into Reported speech. Wore. Boys always wore jeans. Okay, can you do the last one, you think? Oliver and Noah, what do Oliver and Noah say? This is the last one. We're almost done with it.
They smartphones don't work.
And what is the past of don't work?
Didn't work.
Didn't work, exactly. That is it. You got it. You got it. That's good practice. Okay, so next up, we are going to watch a video from a movie. I don't know if you know this movie, so, but I don't think, if you don't know it, I don't think that's a problem. But if you know it, that's cool.